Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to soft reset your Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime. So a soft reset is something that is done usually if your phone just completely froze and it's stuck and it's not doing anything. You want to soft reset it, which is like a reboot, so that so you can restart the phone and hopefully it starts working normally again. So in case your phone froze up, okay, you want to perform a soft reset. Wherever you're at, it doesn't matter. All you have to do is just press and hold volume down and the power button, and continue to hold them until the phone shuts off. Once the phone shuts off, you can let go and the phone will do a reboot. And then the phone will just power back on by itself. There we go. So the phone has been soft reset. It rebooted. Hopefully if your phone was frozen or stuck, it can start working normally now again. And hopefully this video helped you out. So that was just a quick video on how to soft reset your Samsung Galaxy J5 Prime. See you guys around in the next video. Peace.